Well, welcome back. Here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna set this up here in just a second, so that way you can, whatever, and yeah. But welcome back, and I told you I was gonna make something out of this, and the stuff from the drone. So I like to keep my promises. If I say something, it's kind of a thing of mine. I will end up not, well, anywho. But here we go. Nothing. Not getting nothing. Well, whatever, right? I mean, even if you spin it backwards. Huh. That's weird. I got more of a reaction going backwards than I got. I guess it's because all of the air is hitting the big wheels or whatever, so it doesn't want to. But anywho, I've actually tried that quite a few times. This isn't even the first time I've shot this freaking scene, because I tried different lighting situations and everything. I want you guys to be able to see the prop, or how I feel like it's best to see the prop, and of course, I hadn't actually tried to reverse the motor and anywho, but so now I have. And that's what I say. Sometimes it feels like you're not making any progress. Well, I guess I wasn't saying that. I was saying that in a different video. But anywho, geez, this just makes it more entertaining for you guys, I guess, because I'm drifting around and stuff like that. And the point is, it can feel like we're freaking giving it everything, and we may be pushing in the wrong direction. Who knows if we're pushing in the wrong direction? Who knows if we're not pushing in the right direction and we're just getting a little bit of resistance from, like a knobby wheel, or a bad analogy, or something else, or, something rubbing against something, or, not having enough whatever. I don't know. I don't know why I'm getting so philosophical with this. Man, why can't I say that word? I don't know. Anywho, but the point is that, as long as we keep trying, we're going to make progress, right? Whether or not it's, what we expect, we're going to learn something, right? I mean, I'm always learning something. I'm freaking playing with more junk than I can freaking count, and junk, and I mean, freaking little interface boards. These are supposed to be like running lights for a freaking car, Anywho, it's fun. You keep yourself active. I mean, that was the point of, I think I saw it on the web earlier today. Something about the Einstein quote about freaking, it's like riding a bicycle, as long as you keep moving, you keep balanced, or something like that. Ah, hell. I got a bad memory, and who cares? As long as it motivates you, it doesn't matter if you get it right or wrong, right? I mean, I don't know. Freaking, as long as it's not hurting anyone. I mean, you're not going to hurt anyone. Anywho. I've wasted enough of you guys' times talking here after, I made my point about freaking, look at this, it's kind of cool looking, but it doesn't do anything. So I'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I like freaking hearing from you guys. Leave comments in the comments or something like that. Just please don't be mean. I'm nice to you, so be nice to me. See you later. Bye.